This is Motivo Talks, where every heartbeat tells a story of change, where every word wakes up the dreamer inside you. So sit back, take a breath, and remember, greatness starts with one step. Today's video is not about motivation. It's not about working harder. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about something much more uncomfortable. It's about realizing that the biggest problem in your life is not your situation. It is your patterns. Because most people believe they are stuck. They say life is unfair. They say they don't have opportunities. They say they don't have energy. But the truth is deeper than that. You are not stuck because life stopped you. You are stuck because your habits keep repeating the same results. And repeated results create the illusion of a permanent life. But nothing is permanent. Not success. Not failure. Not struggle. Only patterns are permanent until you change them. So today, we're not talking about hope. We are talking about responsibility, because responsibility is power. And as you watch this video, you will also improve your English listening skills because everything is explained clearly and slowly. If you want to grow your mindset and your English at the same time, make sure you subscribe and join this journey. Now, let's begin. Habit 1. Stop escaping discomfort. Most people ruin their future in very small moments. Moments that look harmless. You feel bored, so you check your phone. You feel stressed, so you delay the task. You feel tired, so you choose comfort. And every time you escape discomfort, you train your brain to avoid growth. Here is the reality. Everything that improves your life lives on the other side of discomfort. Learning is uncomfortable. Discipline is uncomfortable. Change is uncomfortable. Honest self-reflection is uncomfortable. But avoiding discomfort creates long-term suffering. Imagine two people. Person A avoids discomfort daily. Person B faces small discomfort daily. After 1 year, their lives look completely different. Not because of talent, because of tolerance for discomfort. So the rule is simple. When you feel resistance, that is the direction you should move. Discomfort is not danger. Discomfort is growth asking for permission. Habit 2. Control your attention. Your life goes where your attention goes. If your attention is always on problems, your life feels heavy. If your attention is always on distractions, your life feels empty. If your attention is always on progress, your life feels meaningful. Attention is your most valuable currency. But today, attention is under attack. Notifications, social media, endless scrolling, constant noise. And when your attention is broken, your focus becomes weak. Weak focus creates weak results. Successful people are not superhuman. They simply protect their attention. They choose what deserves their mental energy. So, ask yourself daily, what deserves my attention today? Not everything deserves access to your mind. Protect your focus like you protect money. Because attention spent wisely creates progress. Habit 3. Build self-trust. Many people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they don't trust themselves anymore. They promised they would start. They didn't. They promised they would change. They didn't. They promised they would be disciplined. They weren't. And slowly, confidence disappears. Self-trust is built with evidence. Not words. Not plans. Evidence. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you deposit confidence. Every time you break a promise, you withdraw confidence. So start small. Very small. One task completed. One promise kept. One action finished. And repeat. Self-trust grows quietly, but it changes everything. Because when you trust yourself, fear loses power. Habit 4. Reduce mental noise. Your mind is tired, not because you are weak, because it is overloaded. Too much information, too many decisions, too many worries, too many comparisons. Mental noise creates anxiety, and anxiety makes simple life feel impossible. So you must create silence. Silence is not doing nothing. Silence is removing unnecessary input. Less scrolling, less comparison, less negative content, more thinking, more reflection, more presence. Clarity grows in quiet minds, not noisy ones. Habit 5. Take ownership of your time. Time is the only resource you cannot recover. Money can return. Opportunities can return. Energy can return. Time never returns. But most people spend time like it has no value. Hours disappear in distraction. Days disappear in procrastination. Years disappear in hesitation. And then regret appears. Organized people respect time. They don't wait to feel motivated. They decide to act. Because action creates momentum. And momentum creates motivation. Not the other way around. So stop waiting to feel ready. You become ready by starting. Habit 6. Accept responsibility without blame. This is important. Responsibility does not mean everything is your fault. Life is unfair sometimes. People hurt you sometimes. Circumstances can be difficult. But responsibility means this. What can I control now? Blame keeps you stuck. Responsibility moves you forward. Blame gives power away. Responsibility takes power back. And power is what you need to change your life. Habit 7. Improve 1% daily. Massive change is a myth. Real change is small and repeated. 1% better daily becomes a completely different life in 1 year. One new skill. One better decision. One healthier habit. One improvement. Small progress compounds. Like interest in a bank account. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. You don't need to transform overnight. You need to improve repeatedly. Habit 8. Stop comparing your timeline. Comparison destroys peace. You see someone ahead, and you feel behind. But you don't see their struggles. their failures, their sacrifices. You only see results. Life is not a race with others. It is a process with yourself. Your timeline is unique. Focus on progress, not position. Habit 9. Strengthen your identity. Lasting change happens when identity changes. If you believe, I am lazy, you will act lazy. If you believe, I am disciplined, you will act disciplined. Identity drives behavior. So start telling yourself a new story. I am someone who finishes things. I am someone who improves daily. I am someone who takes responsibility. And then prove it with actions. Identity plus evidence creates transformation. Habit 10. Start before you feel ready. This is the final truth. You will never feel completely ready. Fear will exist. Doubt will exist. Uncertainty will exist. But action removes fear faster than thinking. The first step creates clarity. The second step creates confidence. The third step creates momentum. And momentum changes lives. Your life is not broken. Your system is. And systems can be changed. You are not behind. You are not incapable. You are not unlucky. You are simply one decision away from a different direction. Start small. Start imperfect. But start today. Because 1 year from now, you will either have progress or excuses. The choice begins now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with anyone who needs this motivation. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and remember,